So that is where I personally have problem with most of us that call ourselves Christians. In the church, especially the time of Holy Communion. Who takes Holy Communion here? And now they go church again. Don't reach on our tongue now. Do you know that when we want to take Holy Communion, it's like you can't even step on sand. Holier than thou. But after taking Holy Communion, when you see the character some Christians display outside, you marvel. And is it that same person that in the altar that was like this? So, if you want to be successful, don't always only think about yourself. Write it down. Don't only think about your words. You don't only think about yourself. Think about other people around you. By the time you are thinking about people around you, they are praying for you. They are wishing you well. In as far as we have too many people around us who you didn't do them anything, for the simple fact that you are progressing, they are against you. Jealousy. That is the truth. People must jealous you if you are successful, or if you are having success around you. People must jealous you. But those evil don't work on you, because the people who are praying for you are greater than the people who are cursing you. Are you there? So let people who are praying for you be greater than people who are cursing you. Because most times people who are cursing you, it will not even work, because you didn't do them anything. Hello? Hello? So you must always not think about yourself alone. You must think about people who are around you. That will give us the second key. Be a giver. The second key for today, you must be a giver. You don't eat alone. Because you are successful today, you have a job now. There are your classmates that they don't have job. That does not make you that you are the best. Hello? That does not make them failure. You are just opportune, and you make use of the opportunity. Learn to give. Giving has a way of opening tremendous doors for you without even you knowing it. It has a way of opening tremendous doors for you. You must learn to give. I always tell people this. Let me give you people this story. When I was building my house, the house I'm living in now, I was in abroad. The people in charge of the house, I told them, when connecting, that you should run pipe and bring it outside for people to be fetching water. It was an instruction. I'm the owner of the house. But the plumber took decision on his own. And they just finished the house. They did not bring it out. When I came, I told him, I thought I asked you to run pipe so that people will be fetching water there. He said, no, bros, this kind of house not be the one when they come to fetch water. I almost slapped him. I told him, are you the owner of the house? have to pay extra. They need to remove all the under the ties to run it so that they bring out where people fetch water. So which house is too big that people can't fetch water? Ordinarily, water that is coming from the ground. And maybe people who before they will go and buy water, or they will pass the house that is close to them, they will go far to go and carry water on their head. Do you think, now that you have made it so easy for them, do you think they won't be praying for you? Hello? Do you think they won't be praying for me? So why will God not give me money to build another house again? When God even know that if He gives me that money, and I will build another one and still use it to affect people's life. I even went to the extent that I have to dig a well that I don't need, so that if they didn't pump water, they can come into the compound. One of my neighbor called me, say, this house for security reasons, all this one when they open up, people they come in, say security wise. I say, who they do for me? Who come fetch water? Now anyone begin plan as you want to kill me. So most times, even most of the problems we have is when you started having that success, and instead of making it our success, but you are using it to pepper people, that is when they start planning it for. For example, most people, most of my colleagues, they don't go to their village. If they go, they will wind up. As they enter compound, they will not greet anybody so that they will not kill them. Hello? But you are making these people jealous, and I don't get money now. Maybe the next thing, you will fence the village house that was not fenced before. You will fence it and put big gates. As you just drive in, you enter, they lock it. You give maybe your parents things. You zoom off. For me, people around me also feel that we are the same thing. Look at him. He was carrying me one day. As I was greeting people, he said, bros, you know they do like big man. I can't say, what if the big man when they inside? Say who you know before, because he carry bike now. You are on Range Rover. Now you say your life don't finish.